Hi everybody, Dr. Belays here, and we are going to talk about dental implants. There are so many things to talk about, I don't even really know where to begin. We'll start with the single tooth implant. That's the most common. People lose a tooth, they'll have a root canal, a crown, the tooth will crack, and we need to replace that with a dental implant. It's a very safe and predictable procedure. In today's world, we use both titanium and ceramic implants. We can give a nice aesthetic result that's both functional and long-lasting, and it's great. We love doing them, and many patients have benefited from them. We can also use implants to replace more than one tooth, even up to a full arch of teeth. And these are really fun cases, life-changing cases to be a part of and to work on. So please read the article below. That's really where I'll put all the information. Call the office, set up a consultation. I'll be happy to answer any of your specific questions in person. And I look forward to meeting you soon. Thanks so much.